Since safety is a top priority in the kitchen, make use of knob covers to prevent unintended activation of your Samsung range. Depending on your range type, the knob cover may have a flat or angled interface. Type A is flat and installs on a flat range interface. Type B is angled and installs on an angled range interface. A sheet of double-sided adhesive pieces is included. Remove and affix one of the pieces to each of the four corners of each knob cover as shown. Then remove the white liner on each adhesive piece to expose the adhesive. Ensure the surface of the control panel around the knob is clean and dry to ensure the effectiveness of the adhesive. Position the knob cover over the knob with the hinge of the knob cover at the bottom of the knob so that it will open downward as shown. Make sure the knob is aligned and centered in the knob cover before affixing it. To fully affix the knob cover, press down firmly on each of the four corners. Once the knob cover is installed, you can open the knob cover to use the range knob. Press in the top portion of the clear dome of the knob cover and pull down. Check if the knob cover is securely latched by pulling slightly on the knob cover without pressing in the top area. Remember, you should never leave items on the cooking surface when it is not in use.